How to start or return online in Macy's and print a return label. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Macy's. Here, scroll down to the bottom and click on Returns. After you click on Returns in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, you'll find Return, Start or Return. Click on it. After you click on Start or Return, you will need to sign into your account. After you sign into your account, enter the order number. After you've entered the order number, enter the email or zip used on the order, then select the item you want to return. Pick a return reason from the list. Choose your return method, mail or store, and if it is available, at the bottom you'll find select print return label or get label. Download the label and print it. And this is how to start or return online in Macy's and print a return label. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.